All right, let's look at the practice exam number 3, problem number 10. All right, so we are trying to find the probability of getting a 1 king and 4 queens. All right, so I'm going to call this event event E. Right, so let's find the probability of such event. So probability of E. Right. So remember that the probability is, a theoretical probability is defined as number of simple events in event E divided by the number of simple events in the sample space S. Right? So let's take care of the bottom first. Right? Since we are getting 5 cards from 52 cards, so we're talking about the choosing 5 cards out of 52 cards. And in poker hands, the order in which you get the cards does not make any difference. So it's going to be a combination, so number combination. And we're choosing from 52 cards. Then we're going to choose 5 cards from there, right? So that will tell you the number of possible 5 card hands that we have. All right, now we have to get 1 king and 4 queens. And how many ways to do that? All right, so we know that there's 4 kings because there are 4 suits. So you have to pick 1 out of 4. So it's going to be a combination 4, comma 1, right? Then multiplication principle, multiply by, right? Now you have 4 queens and you have to pick all 4. So there's only one way, but I'll write it as a 4, choose 4. So combination 4, comma 4, right? This will give you the probability of getting 1 king and 4 queens, right? About part B, right? It's a 4 of a kind, so I'm gonna try to call this event event F, right? So let's find the probability of F, right? By definition, as before, this is going to be a number of simple events or number of hands to get a number of 4 of a kind hands over number of total all possible poker hands, right? So denominator is exactly the same, so it's going to be a combination 52 comma 5, right? All right, so 4 of a kind. So in order to choose a 4 of a kind, so you have a 5 cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards, right? But the 4 cards are of the same kind. All right, then this could be, the last card could be any card. All right, so we just have to find a number of ways to choose a kind. Oh, so it said I meant to write kind, right? So there are 13 kinds to choose from, and we have to pick 1 kind. So 13, choose 1. All right. Once you choose a kind, you're going to have to use all 4 suits. So one, you have the same kind, so you have a spade and clubs and a diamond and a heart, right? So it has all 4 suits of the same kind, right? Then after that, you can pick any card you want, and 4 cards are already chosen. So there are 48 cards left. Then you have to pick one. So therefore, multiply by multiplication principle, combination 48, comma 1. Right? All right. So that's how you get the probability of f. All right. That's it. I hope that this was clear.